Pinoy is Mix, mga kapalalo. Nandito kami. Samahan niyo ako dito.
Seal, isa itong badge of excellence. Kapag dala mo ito, iba ang dating. May instant credibility, may kumpiyansa, may distinction.
That's right. I've also heard that when you carry this seal, it will also open doors for your business dahil mas maraming opportunities, mas stronger ang preference, at mas bigger ang platform para sa mga makaka-achieve nitong seal na to.
And this Tatak Pinoy seal is not just something that you have.
Trade and industry are heartfelt thanks for distinguished government leaders, industry partners, stakeholders, exhibitors, members of the media, and every guest who joined us in celebrating this landmark moment for Filipino excellence.
Una sila nandito. What a successful Tatak Pinoy event that we have this afternoon. Because we witnessed more than just an opening ceremony. We witnessed the unveiling of a vision. But as meaningful as this moment, it is only the beginning. Because the Tatak Pinoy movement continues right here, across every exhibit, every innovation, and every proudly Filipino story waiting to be discovered.
That's right. So we invite all of you to explore the Tatak Pinoy Proudly Filipino Expo to connect with the representative
sector. Coconut exports are up by 34.4%. Our traditional staples, banana, mango.
Ano mo?
Opening ceremony. What an honor to be with Bel Daza. I'm Rico Hizon.
And I'm Isabel Daza, and this has been the opening ceremonies of the Tatak Pinoy Proudly Filipino Expo 2026. Enjoy the next 3 days, everyone. Mabuhay po!
Mabuhay ang Tatak Pinoy! Officials to join us here on stage for a group photo opportunity. University by Secretary Gombe to come up on stage.
In 2025, the Philippines hit an all-time high in exports of 15.4%. This is an all-time high from the beginning of time. January, we again hit a high of 7. Why is this so? Our president will also go down in history as the president with the most free trade agreement, 21. This year, we will be concluding 4 free trade agreements. Actually, the Philippines and the EU FTA, which is a game changer for the Philippine products that want to enter the European market.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight.
Pinagkasigaw na, sige, maganda kasigaw. Ito ba yung mahalaga? Sige, salamat sa iyong suporta.